1. Push up into a bridge. This exercise is helpful because it encourages your body to go backwards instead of hunching forwards. Lie down on your back on an exercise mat with your arms down at your side. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the mat. Press your feet and arms into the mat and lift your pelvis. Your knees should be in line with your ankle. Try to hold this position for at least 10 seconds. When you go back down, don't just drop to the mat. Slowly lower yourself by keeping your muscles flexed the entire time. 2. Stretch with pull-apart bands. Get a lightweight band and hold one side of it in each hand. Put your hands straight out in front of you and shoulder length apart, with your hands facing down. Pull your hands apart from one another, bending your elbows only slightly, until the band touches your chest. Repeat for the rest of your reps. Because this is a fairly lightweight exercise, it's okay to do a high number of reps. 3. Perform a crucifix stretch. This is a move that you can perform every day to strengthen the muscles in your back. Stand up and hold your arms out to your sides. Keep them at shoulder height. Rotate your wrists until your thumbs are pointing backwards. Slowly move your arms back as well. Hold your arms in place. Release and repeat. 4. Do T-spine rotations. If you have a hunchback, then it is likely that you also have reduced spinal mobility. To boost it back up, get down on all fours on an exercise mat. Move your right hand so that it cups the back of your head. Dip your right elbow slightly under your left pectoral muscle. Then, swing it slowly upwards, moving as high as you can while keeping your other hand and knee still on the mat. To get the most benefit from this move, follow your rotating elbow with your eyes. Remember to switch sides to balance your body. 5. Do a swim move. Lie down on an exercise mat on your stomach. Extend your arms and legs outward in front and behind you. Keep your palms facing the mat. Rest your head on the mat as well. Then, lift your head up along with your right arm and left leg. Hold them for a few seconds. Drop them down and repeat with your head, your left arm, and right leg,